it outside right now. It is like really cool looking. The sun is shining and it's snowing. Cute. She's like, where's it coming from?
Look, she's looking behind.
Yeah, she's been doing that. She's hitting the screen a lot too.
So cute. She's smart.
She's knocking it over.
Not that one. Made a meow sound. It's like meow. I'm gonna get it.
She's really good.
Yes, I think you should call Grandma.
Because you can watch it online. So now I'm all dressed up. Whoop. I'm all dressed up. I have to go usher at a concert. And I love dressing up, you know? Makes you look good. There's just something about dressing up that gives you a lot of confidence, you know? So I just got done ushering. And like I said before, it feels really nice to dress up. But there's nothing like taking off your high heels after 2 hours and changing into pajamas. What I was talking about with my setup being in my bed. Okay, she's like chewing on my Christmas tree. Don't do that. I like just sit on my laptop, turn on my Christmas lights, and I'm talking funny because my retainer's in. I sound really weird, but anyway, I love the way my keyboard lights up at night. It's very cool. And then I just edit for normally an hour and a half to 2 hours-ish, and then I go to bed.